We're back with breaking updates coming in. The BJP leader C.T. Ravi, after being detained for allegedly hurling abuses at Karnataka Minister Lakshmi Hebbalkar, now the showdown continues. We're learning that C.T. Ravi is now being shifted to Bengaluru, where the case will be heard by special court for elected representatives. C.T. Ravi is now being shifted out of court. My colleague Deepak is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Deepak, C.T. Ravi has claimed threat to life. He claims that after he was being detained, he was taken to several deserted locations as well. We continue getting live visuals from the court. What are the details? What next?
Well, he's just being moved from the court. I'm following, in fact, his vehicle. We are just trying to determine whether the police right now plan to bring him to Bengaluru by road, because that seems like the more probable way that they'll actually commute. There is also a slight possibility that they could take him by flight, but usually that's not the protocol that's followed. As we speak, Mr. Ravi, while he was stepping out, speaking to a few, regional channels here, has once again reiterated that the police, showed their high-handedness. He once again reiterates that he felt threatened. He says that, they took him to undisclosed locations, multiple districts through the course of the night, and all of this was completely uncalled for. He has also claimed in court that there was a possibility he felt that he could be encountered. We heard a reaction come in from him in the wee hours as well, where he said that first aid was not provided. Now, while all of this has happened today, we saw the BJP protest, we saw the party president come in his support, and the latest development here is that while he was produced before the Belagavi JMFC court, the court has now opined that he has to be taken to Bengaluru to the Special Representatives Court. That's where the matter will be heard. That's where his bail plea as well will come up, and probably the proceedings from here on will take place in Bengaluru. There's an all-out political war of words that's going on. The question that the BJP is asking, there were people who tried to attack C.T. Ravi in the corridors of the Vidhan Sabha. Why action hasn't been initiated against them?
Okay, all right. So, C.T. Ravi now being taken to Bengaluru, where the court will continue hearing the case. Remember, he was produced in Belagavi, after which he is now being taken to Bengaluru. Quick break now. We'll be right back. To stay with us.